In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Namecheap domain to Google Sites. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in Google Sites to hook up your custom domain from Namecheap, so your site can live at a clean, memorable web address. We'll keep things simple and focus on the built-in tools Google Sites provides for connecting a domain. First, open your Google Sites project. If you're not there already, head to sites.google.com, sign in, and open the site you want to connect. Make sure you're editing the correct project, especially if you manage multiple sites. It helps to have the site's homepage open so you can see changes and settings in context. Next, look for the Settings gear in the top right corner of the editor. Click it to open the site-wide settings panel. This is where Google Sites centralizes key controls, including navigation, brand assets, and, most importantly for us, your custom domain options. If you don't see the gear, confirm you're in the editor view, not just a preview. Inside Settings, select Custom Domains. This section is designed to map your Google site to a domain you own, like yourdomain.com or a subdomain such as yourdomain.com. Before you continue, decide which address you want visitors to use. Many people choose the www version for simplicity, but either works. Just be consistent. Now click Connect Domain. You'll be prompted to enter the domain you purchased on Namecheap. Type it carefully without HTTP or HTTPS. For example, enter yourdomain.com or www.yourdomain.com, depending on your preference. Avoid trailing slashes or extra spaces. Small typos can delay the connection. After you submit your domain, Google Sites will check availability and guide you with on-screen prompts. Follow those prompts exactly. You may see instructions or values that confirm ownership and set up routing behind the scenes. Keep this tab open so you can refer back to any details if needed. If Google Sites offers an option between a root domain and a subdomain, choose the one that matches what you just typed to keep everything aligned. Once the connection steps are completed in the Google Sites flow, give it time to take effect. Domain connections don't switch instantly. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours for changes to fully propagate. Be patient and test by visiting the address you chose. If it doesn't load immediately, wait and try again. To wrap up, remember, open your Google site, go into Settings, select Custom Domains, choose Connect Domain, and enter your Namecheap domain precisely. Double-check for typos, stick to a single version of your address, and allow time for the connection to finalize. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your launch.